Today, we're going to discuss 15 things that people often waste their money on. Now, I understand that this topic may be controversial, but our intention is to shed light on common financial mistakes that may be holding you back. So, let's dive in. 1. Credit cards. When you rely on credit cards, you're essentially trading your future time and livelihood for temporary financial relief. It may seem convenient at the moment, but it's like digging yourself deeper into a hole that becomes harder to escape. People often find themselves maxing out their credit cards on non-essential purchases, perpetuating a cycle of debt that holds them back. To truly take control of your financial life, it's crucial to resist the allure of credit cards and focus on building a solid foundation of financial stability. Remember, your life and your future should be in your hands, not in the hands of debt. 2. GLAM and beautification. We often see people who can barely afford to fix their cars spending money on glamorous hairstyles or extravagant nail treatments. It's understandable to want to treat yourself after a hard week of work, but are these temporary enhancements really worth it? Think about it. Those flashy hairstyles will fade away in just a few weeks, and those intricate nail designs will chip and require maintenance. The irony is that many successful individuals, especially women entrepreneurs, opt for simplicity when it comes to their appearance. They prioritize investing in themselves and their future rather than spending money on fleeting beauty trends. So, instead of throwing your hard-earned money out the window for short-lived glamour, focus on fixing the windows of opportunity in your financial life. Once you've improved your situation, you can enjoy those luxuries without sacrificing your progress. 3. Impulse purchases. In today's consumer-driven society, we're constantly bombarded with advertisements and enticing marketing tactics that make us believe we need the latest gadgets, trendy fashion items, or the newest tech gadgets. The truth is, most of these purchases are impulsive and unnecessary. It's important to distinguish between what we truly need and what we simply want. By understanding the difference, we can regain control over our finances. Take a moment to evaluate your purchases. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just being influenced by clever marketing? Developing a mindful approach to spending can help you prioritize your financial goals and avoid wasteful spending on unnecessary items. Remember, true financial freedom comes from mastering the art of discernment and making intentional choices that align with your long-term aspirations. 4. Food waste. It's astonishing how much food goes to waste each day, especially when so many people struggle to afford an adequate meal. Studies show that the average person throws away 40% of the vegetables they purchase, 17% of their dairy products, and 14% of their meat. This not only harms our wallets but also contributes to the larger issue of food scarcity and environmental impact. By becoming more conscious of our consumption habits and practicing mindful meal planning, we can significantly reduce food waste and save a substantial amount of money. It starts with assessing our actual needs, purchasing only what we will consume, and finding creative ways to utilize leftovers. Small changes in our approach to food can have a big impact on our finances and the world around us. 5. Miracle diets, weird fitness products, and tele-shopping. We live in a society that is obsessed with quick fixes and instant gratification, especially when it comes to our health and fitness. However, the truth is that miracle diets and weird fitness products rarely deliver the long-lasting results we desire. These products are often marketed with flashy promises and endorsements from seemingly fit individuals, but they fail to address the fundamental principles of a healthy lifestyle: consistency, balance, and sustainable habits. Instead of wasting your hard-earned money on these gimmicks, focus on developing a mindset of self-responsibility and making realistic, sustainable changes to your daily routine. Embrace whole foods, regular physical activity, and a positive mindset. Remember, true health is a journey, and it's not achieved overnight or through a magical product. Invest in your well-being wisely, and you'll reap the rewards in the long run. 6. Lucky charms or spiritual items. It's fascinating how people, especially those with limited financial resources, often invest their hard-earned money in lucky charms or spiritual items that promise wealth and prosperity. While it's understandable to seek solutions that can improve our financial situation, the reality is that these items rarely deliver the desired results. Instead of relying on external objects or superstitions, it's crucial to make rational choices based on sound financial principles. Educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, and investing. Focus on acquiring knowledge and skills that will empower you to make informed decisions about your money. True financial improvement comes from understanding and implementing strategies that promote long-term growth and financial stability. So, rather than placing your faith in lucky charms, place it in your ability to make sound financial choices and build a solid financial foundation. 7. Health. Taking care of our health is not just essential for our overall well-being, but also for our financial stability. Neglecting our health can have long-term consequences that come with hefty price tags. Rather than avoiding regular checkups or preventive measures due to cost concerns, it's crucial to recognize that investing in our health today can save us from expensive medical emergencies down the line. Prevention is more cost-effective than treatment. By prioritizing routine checkups, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and seeking timely medical advice, we can catch potential health issues early, potentially reducing the need for costly interventions. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and taking proactive steps to safeguard it will not only lead to a better quality of life, but also protect your financial well-being. 8. Games and in-app purchases. The world of gaming has evolved tremendously, offering immersive experiences and enticing in-app purchases. However, it's crucial to strike a balance when it comes to indulging in these activities. Spending excessive amounts of money on games and in-app purchases can quickly drain your finances without providing tangible long-term benefits. It's important to be mindful of the time and money you invest in these virtual realms. Take a step back and evaluate the value you're getting in return. Consider setting limits on your spending and dedicating a reasonable amount of time to gaming that doesn't interfere with your real-life responsibilities or financial goals. Remember, while gaming can be enjoyable and entertaining, it's essential to maintain a healthy balance and allocate your resources wisely to achieve financial stability and personal growth. 9. Latest tech. In today's fast-paced world, the allure of the latest tech gadgets can be hard to resist. However, prioritizing these shiny new devices over essential needs can lead to financial pitfalls. It's important to distinguish between what you truly need and what is merely a desire driven by societal pressure or FOMO, fear of missing out. Instead of constantly chasing after the latest upgrades, consider taking care of your existing possessions and evaluating their functionality. Ask yourself if the latest tech truly aligns with your priorities and financial goals. By being mindful of your actual needs and making conscious decisions about your purchases, you can save a significant amount of money and avoid falling into the trap of constantly chasing the next big thing. Remember, true financial wisdom lies in making choices that prioritize long-term financial stability and personal fulfillment over fleeting trends. 10. Balling at the club. Indulging in lavish club experiences, while enticing, can have significant long-term financial implications. While the allure of popping bottles and being the center of attention may provide temporary satisfaction, it's crucial to consider the bigger picture. True wealth isn't measured by how much money you spend at the club or how many expensive items you flaunt. Instead, it's about achieving financial stability and fostering growth in your financial journey. It's about making smart financial choices that align with your long-term goals. So, before you splurge on extravagant club nights, take a moment to reflect on the true meaning of wealth and focus on building a solid financial foundation that will lead to lasting prosperity. Remember, true wealth is built on financial stability, growth, and wise financial decisions. 11. Gambling. Gambling, often viewed as a potential pathway to quick wealth, can quickly turn into a financial downfall. While there may be stories of extraordinary wins, the truth is that the odds are stacked against you. Many individuals, especially those in challenging financial situations, fall into the trap of chasing that elusive jackpot, only to find themselves in a cycle of mounting losses. It's vital to approach gambling responsibly and set limits on your spending. Avoid excessive purchases of lottery tickets, scratch cards, or casino games that offer the allure of instant riches. Instead, focus on building your wealth through sound financial strategies, investments, and personal development. Remember, true financial success is achieved through consistent, informed decision-making, not by relying on the unpredictable nature of gambling. 12. Smoking and vaping. Smoking and vaping not only have detrimental effects on your health but can also take a toll on your financial well-being. The costs associated with cigarettes and vaping products can add up quickly. Consider this: the average cost of a pack of cigarettes is $6.28, and a pack-a-day habit can amount to $188 per month, or a staggering $2,292 per year. Over a decade, that's a price tag of $22,920. Imagine what you could do with that money if it wasn't going up in smoke. By quitting these habits, you not only improve your overall well-being but also save a significant amount of money in the long run. It's an investment in both your health and your financial future. So take charge of your well-being, break free from these costly habits, and watch your health and wealth flourish. 13. Your bank. When it comes to traditional banking systems, it's important to recognize that they may not always be the most advantageous option for your financial growth. Hidden costs, low interest rates, and limited flexibility can hinder your ability to maximize your wealth. It's worth exploring alternative investment options that can offer high returns and greater control over your finances. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, diversifying your financial portfolio can lead to long-term benefits. By taking a proactive approach to managing your money and seeking opportunities beyond traditional banking, you can unlock new avenues for growth and increase your financial potential. Remember, your bank should be working for you, not against you. So, dare to explore alternative investment options and seize control of your financial destiny. 14. Your taxes. Taxes can often feel like a burden, but understanding the tax system and taking proactive steps can help you minimize your tax burden and keep more money in your pocket. It's essential to educate yourself about tax laws, deductions, and credits that you may be eligible for. By maximizing deductions and taking advantage of tax-saving strategies, you can legally reduce your tax liability and potentially save a significant amount of money. Consulting with a tax professional or utilizing tax software can provide valuable insights and guidance. Remember, being proactive in managing your taxes is an important aspect of financial responsibility and can contribute to your overall financial well-being. So, empower yourself with knowledge, explore tax-saving opportunities, and make the most of your hard-earned money. 15. Donations. Supporting charitable causes is undoubtedly a noble endeavor, but it's crucial to be discerning about where your money is going. Unfortunately, not all charities operate with the same level of efficiency and transparency. Some organizations have high administrative costs, resulting in only a fraction of your donation actually reaching those in need. To ensure that your contribution makes a meaningful impact, consider alternative ways to create opportunities and uplift those less fortunate. Instead of solely relying on monetary donations, you can invest your time, skills, or resources directly into initiatives that empower individuals and communities. By actively participating and working towards sustainable solutions, you can make a tangible difference and ensure that your efforts truly benefit those in need. Remember, true philanthropy goes beyond monetary contributions. It's about creating positive, lasting change. 16. Subscriptions and memberships. Evaluate the subscriptions and memberships you currently have and determine if they are truly necessary. Cancel any that you no longer use or find alternatives that provide similar benefits at a lower cost. In today's digital age, it's easy to accumulate numerous subscriptions and memberships without even realizing it. Streaming services, gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, and online platforms all come with recurring fees that can add up over time. Take a moment to review your bank statements and identify any subscriptions or memberships that you no longer find value in or no longer use. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can redirect those funds towards more important financial goals, such as saving or investing. Additionally, explore alternative options that offer similar benefits at a lower cost. For example, if you enjoy reading magazines, consider subscribing to digital versions or utilizing your local library's free resources. The key is to be mindful of the subscriptions and memberships you choose and ensure they align with your financial priorities and values. 17. Cable and satellite TV. With the rise of streaming services and online content, paying for expensive cable or satellite TV packages may not be the most cost-effective choice. Consider cutting the cord and exploring more affordable entertainment options. Traditional cable and satellite TV packages often come with high monthly costs and long-term contracts. With the abundance of streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus, you can access a wide variety of content at a fraction of the price. These streaming services offer on-demand access to movies, TV shows, documentaries, and even original programming. You can customize your viewing experience by subscribing to the services that align with your interests. Additionally, many streaming platforms offer free trials, allowing you to explore the content and decide which services are worth investing in. By cutting the cord and embracing streaming services, you can save money without sacrificing quality entertainment. Remember to compare prices, consider bundling options, and take advantage of special deals to maximize your savings. Embracing new technologies and adapting to changing entertainment trends can significantly impact your monthly expenses and free up funds for other financial priorities. 18. Unused gym memberships. Many people sign up for gym memberships with good intentions but end up not using them regularly. If you find yourself in this situation, consider canceling the membership and exploring other ways to stay active, such as outdoor activities or home workouts. Gym memberships can be a significant financial commitment, especially if you're not making the most of them. Take an honest assessment of your gym attendance and determine if it aligns with your fitness goals and lifestyle. If you find that you rarely visit the gym or have alternative ways to stay active, it may be time to consider canceling the membership. Instead of spending money on a gym you don't use, explore free or low-cost fitness options. Outdoor activities like jogging, hiking, or cycling can be enjoyable and provide an opportunity to connect with nature. You can also explore home workout routines using online videos, fitness apps, or inexpensive exercise equipment. By being proactive and finding alternative ways to stay active, you not only save money but also take control of your fitness journey on your own terms. And there you have it, the 18 things people often waste money on. Remember, our intention is not to judge but to encourage financial awareness and growth. By making mindful choices and focusing on long-term goals, you can pave your way to a more prosperous future. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope it provides valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so join the conversation in the comments below. Stay tuned for more inspiring content, and we'll see you next time.